everyone. I'm Colleen Richardson with Bedford Community Television, and I have with me Bill Jennings behind the camera this evening. Tonight we're at the Bedford Fire Department's open house. We'd like to give you a little tour of what's going on here, and I think the best person to explain what's happening this evening is Captain Thatcher Plant. Captain, hi.
Hi, Colleen. How are you?
Excellent. How are you? Thank you for having us this evening.
Of course. Thank you for coming.
So tell us a little bit about the open house and why it happens this time of year and what the viewers can expect if they come.
Sure. So October is Fire Prevention Month, and the second week of October is Fire Prevention Week. So this is our open house that we have every year, the second Tuesday of October, and it's kind of like our capstone of Fire Prevention Week and month. So we go to all the schools, all the daycares, preschools, first grade, second grade, and we teach fire prevention to the kids, and they get to go home and talk to their families about it. And this event allows us to connect with the parents and the older brothers and sisters who we don't have the opportunity to teach. So we have, as you can see behind us, fire truck rides, we have a live fire demonstration, and we invite different businesses and vendors throughout the community who have some stake in public safety or health and wellness.
So what are some of the activities, if someone came, that they would participate in?
Sure, so we have the fire truck rides behind me. We have a kids obstacle course that you can show later. We have all sorts of different things like the vendors provide education and entertainment for the kids. And we have our live fire demonstration, so that's it.
So it's educational, but it's really a lot of fun, and it's obviously you got a beautiful evening, you lucked out. I know we've had some colder evenings in the past, but tonight's a great fall night, and so we're going to just take a walk around and see what we can find. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.
We're now with firefighter Sue Martin, and what's your name?
Jackson.
And Jackson, and they're going to give us a demonstration of what this cool obstacle course is all about. So I'm going to hand the mic to Sue, and she's going to take over.
Thank you, Colleen. So this year we set it up a little different. We have two of the exact same things so kids could race if they wanted, also so we can keep the line moving a little quicker. So Jack here's already gone through it. He's rocked it. He's going to kind of demonstrate a little bit of what our obstacle course entails. So the very first, whenever you're ready, Jack, he's going to run through the cones. He's going to hop up on the balance beam. He's going to grab the hose, go in the box. He's turning around. He's going to pull the weights, dropping it, going through the tube. He's going to grab the firefighter. He's going to drag the firefighter down. He's going to drop it. He's going to move the brick. Some of the smaller kids take quite a few taps, but he's going to do it, drop it, and then he's going to put the fire out for us. Well done, Jack, buddy. Well done. Nice job.
Backwards, backwards. Go backwards. Turn around. There you go, like that. Get the other one.
Look at who I found at the open house. This is Sparky. Hi, Sparky. He can't talk because, you know, he's a dog, but he's fun to visit with, and everybody's having a lot of fun just saying hi. So I found someone that's in line to go on a ride. Hi, what's your name?
Cameron.
Cameron, hi, I'm Colleen. So we're going to go for a ride together. That sounds exciting, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Have you ever ridden in a fire engine before?
Yeah, with Mommy and Grandma and Grandpa.
You have. I never have. So I'm looking forward to it, and I'm glad I'm going with someone that's already been. So let's get in line here and see how it goes. I thought that was great. What'd you think?
Yeah,
And what did you get to do that I didn't get to do because you were in the front?
I get to honk. I get to honk.
The horn, you were the one making all that noise? Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, so you're gonna get in line and go on the other ones now? You gotta go on the antique one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, have fun. So one exciting event that happens here at the Bedford Fire Department Open House, besides the rides on the fire trucks, is a live fire demonstration. They're going to show you how quickly something can go up in flames. So let's take a look right now.
They used to say that fire doubled in size every 60 seconds, but that was the furniture was actually made of wood. All of our furniture now, as you can see, this is all from the transfer station. It's mostly synthetic and plastic, so fire actually doubles in size every 30 seconds. So we have even less time now to get out. So we want you to make sure you have one smoke alarm and that you have an escape plan and you close your bedroom door before you go to sleep. Close before you go. Just a closed bedroom door to keep smoke, heat, fire out of your room to allow you to get out or firefighters to get to you. So we're going to simulate a trash can fire with careless disposal of smoking materials, but to make this go a little bit quicker for you, we're just going to use a full torch so you don't have to sit around and wait. So without any further ado, Fire Inspector Eric DeVoe is going to get this started.
Here they go.
So as you can overhear, only seconds into that fire, our smoke alarm was letting us know that we need to get out and stay out.
We hope you enjoyed our visit to the Bedford Fire Department Open House. If you didn't make it down yourself, this year you'll want to make sure you come down next year. There's a lot of activities, a lot of fun, and as you can see, everybody really has a great time. So for Colleen Richardson and Bill Jennings from BCTV, We wish you a good night.